Zhongshan Changsheng Metal Products Company Limited, established in 1998, has specialized in the manufacture of wire shelving for home storage and industrial display, exporting to over 80 countries, 80% to Japan, America, and EU market. We have over 9 years experiences for overseas e-commerce market. Our factory area is 30,000 square meters, with 260 employees. Our maximum monthly output is 200 pieces, 40-foot containers. 70% of our production machine are automatic and new introduced for our new factory since last year ends. All the production process, including surface finishes of chrome plating and powder coating, are produced by our own factory. We are approved by American NSF organization, audited by Target, BSCI, Amazon, and Lowe's. We are also awarded by Chinese market with famous brands, such as top 10 brands in the Chinese houseware industry and top 500 Chinese high-quality brands. We have in-house test room for salty spray test, coating corrosion test, loading test, and dropping test. Besides, our product has passed the quality test by CNAS, SGS, BV, and TUV. All this ensure us to obtain high reputation of stable quality and cost-effective in the same trade. New product design and development is operated in-house. We have our own 30 pieces patent design. Our target is to be the most professional factory of wire shelving industry. Welcome inquiries us.